actually going to do that, aren't you? Aren't you? Yep. Use the parking lot to bypass the red light. Yeah. Why'd you do that? Why'd you not stop? Ran the red arrow. Yep, yep. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know what the fuck you're doing, stupid? Could this cycle any fucking faster? What are you doing? Exit diving? Market basket diving? Hobby lobby diving? Total eclipse of the brain? Just bomb on out, no problem, dude. You're in the red light. Exit dive. Red light runner. Failure to yielder. What you gonna do when you're an howdy-ho, howdy-ho, howdy-ho? Fuck you. Back to Jersey, you scumbag. Can you wait till it's friggin' green? Can you stay in your friggin' lane? Oh, God. Stop! I wanna go home. I wanna go to bed. I wanna go to bed. I wanna go home. Hey, pay attention, dude. Thank you. There you go. Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah. Hey-o, howdy-ho. Next time. Hello. Next dive left. Camera right. Yeah. Exit diving, dickhead. Don't cut him off. Don't Don't cut him off. And you weren't even exiting. You're a meathead. Thanks, douchebag.
BBC, Austin News Radio.
Hey, BJ, to remember, more than 100 people gagged. Lemon cool off with the help of some specially
Who's next
developed
time?
wheelchairs. WBZ.
Yeah, okay. Stop. Stop me, stop. Stop the garbage. Hey, you're in the red light! You're in the red. What are you doing? The hell are you doing? Okay.
Call Casper Funeral Information Services at 800-314-1890 or visit our website.
X-Dive. You're an asshole! You're not supposed to be in that lane either. But yeah, the Volvo guy's an asshole. They're wearing masks in a convertible at highway speed. Uh-huh. Yeah, dual X dive. Asshole. Okay, cut someone off. Someone off. Yeah, okay. Oh, and brake check. You're an asshole. We knew that already. Enough about you douchebag. Oh, look at this. What is that? An exit dive? That's an exit dive. Or exit regret, whatever.
WBZ's Carl Stevens says on Kings Beach in Lynn, it was a good day for painting.
For the fifth and final time this summer, artist Annette Sykes, thanks to
That's next step.
Better Beaches, set up 8
That's Toyota.
campuses, provided
Not the fudge. What the fudgety fudge here? Is this a crash or? Do you fucking mind? Jesus Christ, douche. Out goes the hand. You're a cutter. Fuck you, asshole. 1176. I'm calling on you, motherfucker.